Hey guys, in this section what I want to highlight is how you can get traffic from the Google search results over to YouTube. So on the Google search results you'll often see there are YouTube videos listed as part of the search results, and I'm sure that will be the case within your niche. It doesn't matter whether you're in gaming, whether you're in entertainment, whether you're in education, it doesn't matter. There will be instances of when you create videos, someone typing in a keyword into Google that will trigger videos to show up as YouTube links. So let me give you an example. If I want to go way outside of my niche, which is marketing, and do something along the lines of gaming, and I type something in like Fortnite fails, the first result is a YouTube video. That's massive. This is again shows how much YouTube influences the search results. So there's the first one, and another one, and another one, and another one, and another one. All of these are YouTube results. And the interesting thing, I've not gone to the video search on Google. I've not used the video search here. I've gone straight onto Google and typed it in. So what does this mean? What it means is that you are focusing on optimizing your videos for YouTube, but you should also optimize your videos for SEO in terms of Google as well. And of course, YouTube and Google are both owned by Google. They're both Google products. So SEO across both of them becomes quite important, and it's a good way to get additional traffic. So let's try another search term that's not as obvious that will serve videos. So if I did something along the lines of, I don't know, learn English tutorial. Excuse my bad typing. There you go. So now this will obviously come up with websites that have courses, and it will have like walkthroughs and guides and potentially enrollments onto schools. But what do you see at the very top? The first three results are YouTube videos. They're all YouTube videos. So again, this search term generates a video search. Now again, this is quite an obvious one. A tutorial could provide you with a YouTube search, with a video result. So it's a bit more obvious that this could potentially do that. So let's try a search term that's not obvious at all. So of course, I'm sure you guys, if you own YouTube channels, are all aware about the demonetization, or should I say the change in the rules around monetizing your channel, making sure you need to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. So one of the things a lot of people searched for when they were thinking, hold on a minute, what is 4,000 hours watch time? So they wanted to convert that into minutes. So I'm going to type in 4,000 hours to minutes. That was something people often typed in. Now again, this part here is a Google widget which has a calculator built in, so you can do calculations straight from Google search, but that's not the point. The point is further down the page you will see videos, and funnily enough, the one in the first place on the YouTube listing is mine. I saw an opportunity to optimize a video here, and I decided to take it. I decided to create a video that would follow, I guess, this search term, and it's outranked everybody, pretty much everybody. So if I go into the video, I've got the sound muted, so it's a very old video I created. Well, I say very old, it was only in February of this year. If you're watching this in 2018, if you're watching it in 2019, then of course it wasn't this year. But either way, it's an oldish video for the age of my channel. My channel's pretty new in terms of YouTube years. So overall, you'll see the engagement. There's 4,533 views, which to a massive channel isn't a huge amount, but to a small channel like mine, which is, this course is all about small YouTubers, that's actually really good. And when you look at my subscriber number at 1.1 thousand, this is a small YouTube channel. So how am I ranking so well for this term? Well, the simple answer is SEO. And of course, this course is all about it. And you'll go into detail of how you could do this yourself potentially as well. So you'll see all of this traffic from this video, a lot of it has actually come from Google. So you'll see there's 129 likes, 11 dislikes, you know, can't please everybody, and 104 comments. Now, for a channel of my size to have a video that does this well is excellent, because my channel authority, in terms of how competitive I am on YouTube by the size of my channel and the authority it commands, is quite low. You know, when you talk about YouTubers with silver play buttons at 100,000, gold play buttons at 1 million, you know, these are the kind of YouTubers that would be typically ranking for high level YouTube related terms. But yet here I am within YouTube and within Google ranking for this term with a small channel. So it goes to show you that this can be done. And funnily enough, to end the video, read the top comment. It says, SEO is working for you. I typed it into Google, not YouTube, into Google. How many minutes are there in 4,000 hours? And your video was at the top. So again, it goes to show, and it really, really highlights that it's important to think of Google as well as YouTube when you create your videos and you optimize your videos. And the way to do that, I'll go on to in the next section. But overall, just be mindful that both of them really, really matter.